Hello, Chef Marcus Guiliano here, your chef on a mission. Today's mission is running. I just broke the #1 rule of running in the wintertime. I'm sweating. Do not sweat. It's not what you want to do to keep warm, because as soon as I stop like this, I'm gonna get cold. So the key to winter running is bundle up in layers. As soon as you start heating up, you shed layers. You shed layers so you don't sweat. Now, I broke that rule today. I have my new Solomon jacket on and I'm loving. I have a compression shirt on underneath. My Solomon jacket's about to come off, but it's too late because I am so sweaty up here right now. I'm on top of the mountain and it's only like 25 degrees up here. But if you dress properly, remember, there's no such thing as cold weather or bad running weather. There's such thing as bad clothing. So I have too much good clothing on right now, and my back, my chest, my face, you can see it. I'm just sweating like crazy. I ripped my hat off first thing, and I was going up this hill. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to cut my run short today because of that. So don't stop running in the wintertime. It's just get better clothes, and don't sweat. That's the worst thing you can possibly do. I'm gonna get back to my car. I'm gonna be so cold. I was going up to High Point, which is down that road right there. I was going down to High Point up there, right up there, the highest point on the mountain on the Schwangunk Ridge. I don't think I can go up there because it's gonna be windy and I'm gonna be freezing now. Chef Marcus Guiliano, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe, leave questions. What are some of your favorite running gear? Leave some comments, favorite running gear, your favorite winter running gear, that is. I got my gaiters on today. My gaiters, I love my gaiters. Those are gaiters, folks. Keeps my feet nice and dry. My ankles nice and dry. These were a game changer when I got gaiters. I was able to run in snow like that. All right, signing off.